Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing way to create professional PowerPoint slides in just a few clicks, all from a simple text prompt, using a website called WorkPPT.com. This is perfect for students, teachers, business owners, marketers, or anyone who wants to make a presentation quickly without spending hours designing slides. The best part? You don't need advanced PowerPoint skills. The AI does all the hard work for you. So let's get started. First, click on the link in the description below and create your free account. Once you log in, you'll see the Work PPT dashboard. It's clean, simple, and very easy to navigate. Right away, you'll notice the main feature. Create PowerPoint at your fingertips. Here's how it works. Starting your presentation. On the middle of the page, you'll see a text box where you can type your presentation title or topic. You can write in any language. For example, I can type how to make a slideshow or social media marketing. Adding files to convert into PPT. On the right side, there's a plus icon. If you click it, you can upload a PDF or document, and Work PPT will automatically turn it into a ready-to-use PowerPoint presentation. Exploring the sidebar menu. On the left, you'll see several AI tools. AI Slide. Generate slides from your text prompt. AI Chat. Lets you interact with AI to refine your slides or ask questions. AI PPT. Creates a complete presentation instantly. AI Summarizer. Turns long documents into short, clear slides. Order List. Created by you. And invite list options for managing your projects and sharing with others. Generating slides with AI. Let's click on AI Slide. First, type in your topic, for example, social media marketing. Next, select how many slides you want. There are 3 options: 0 to 10, 11 to 20, and 20 to 33 slides. I'll select 0 to 10 and click Generate. Within seconds, the AI will give you topic suggestions. Pick your favorite, then click Generate My Presentation. Choosing a template after a moment, Work PPT will show you different slide templates. You can browse thousands of templates in categories like business, marketing, technology, nature, multi-purpose, and more. You can preview each one before choosing, customizing your slides. Once you select a template, click the plus icon to open the slide editor. Here, you can fully customize your presentation. Change text, colors, and fonts. Add or remove slides. Insert images, icons, and charts. Edit subtitles and background colors. On the left panel, you can see all your slides at a glance, making it easy to jump between them. Saving and downloading. When you're happy with your presentation, simply click Save. Then download it as a PowerPoint file to your computer, ready to present or share. What's great about Work PPT is that it saves you time, gives you professional-looking designs instantly, and even works if you don't have Microsoft PowerPoint installed. You can create everything online. So, if you've ever struggled with creating slides from scratch, this tool will be a game changer. Try it out now by clicking the link in the description and start making your next presentation in just one click. Now, let's try the second method of creating a presentation with Work PPT. This time, instead of typing a topic, I'm going to upload a PDF file and let the AI do all the work for me. So, I'll select my PDF and upload it. Within seconds, Work PPT will scan the file, analyze the content, and automatically extract the main topics for the presentation. From here, I can simply choose my favorite topic and click Generate My Presentation. Just like before, Work PPT will instantly suggest templates that match the style of my PDF content. I can browse through them, pick the one I like best, and then click the plus icon to start editing. This opens a brand new editing tab where I have full control over the design. Change fonts, text size, and styles. Adjust colors to match your brand or theme. Replace, add, or remove images. Edit or delete text. Add charts, icons, and extra slides if needed. In short, With Work PPT, you can go from a simple PDF file to a fully customized PowerPoint presentation in just a few clicks, and you don't need any design experience at all. So, if you're tired of spending hours formatting slides, this is definitely worth trying. The link to WorkPPT.com is in the video description, so click it, sign up, and start creating your own AI-powered presentations today. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.